How to add chapters to YouTube video. In this video, I will guide you on how to add chapters to YouTube video. I will show you two ways. The first one is automatical and the second one is manual. Now, the first thing you want to do is head over to YouTube Studio. Now, click on the edit icon over here. You will find all the video details. Now here you want to scroll down, click on the show more option. Now you will find the section of automatic chapters. Go ahead and check the box that says allow automatic chapters and key moments. Then click on the save option. Now you can also click on the settings option over here. Now select upload defaults. Click on advanced settings. Now check the box that says allow automatic chapters and key moments. Then click on the save option. This is the automatic way to add chapters in YouTube video. Now to do this manually, get to the description section. Now in the description, you want to add a list of timestamps and titles. Make sure that the first timestamp you list starts with 00. Your video should have at least 3 timestamps listed in ascending order. The minimum length for video chapters is 10 seconds. Once you have added this description, click on the save option, and in this way you can manually add chapters to YouTube video. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.